my channel. Hope you're all doing well, having a great week. The weather's not so great, but you know, we move. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Carlie. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. So as you can see, I'm in my bathroom today again. So I'm going to be doing a hair care routine. I'm just going to take you through the steps I do with my hair. I mean, I try and keep it as nice as I can. Just like look at tips what I can do to keep it healthy, really. First thing I would do, right, is to do a hair mask. I don't do them that often just because, you know, too many hair masks, a lot of build up and it's just not great. What I've discovered, and I've seen quite a few, you know, influencers and I've seen it over social media, is to either use a conditioner as a hair mask overnight or coconut oil. Now, this has worked amazing. I've used it maybe once overnight on my hair. I woke up, it was unreal. It's literally like coconut oil that you cook with, yeah? Oh, it's all falling everywhere. Whoops. Didn't realise it was going to do that. Oh, it's just falling everywhere. Because I'm clumsy, that's what my life is like. I used a coconut hair mask. And what I do, yeah, I'll put it all over my hair from root to tip. And sometimes I'll put it in the morning and leave it till the night if I'm not going anywhere. Otherwise, I'll put it on overnight. And it just really nourishes my hair, gives it a lot of, you know, moisture. This is from Savers. If you want to get your hands on it, it's from Savers, and I think it was £1 or £2, one of them things. If I wanted to do like a pre-shampoo treatment, then I would use this Philip Kingsley. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, there you go. Philip Kingsley Elasticizer, and it says it's an intensive super conditioning pre-shampoo treatment for all hair types, adds elasticity, manageability, bounce and shine. So I'm all about getting the shine, the volume, all that stuff, because as you can see, I've got flat hair. You've got to wet your hair, so get in the shower, wet your hair, and you put this on for 10 to 20, clumsy again. Put this on for 10 to 20 minutes and then you wash it out with shampoo. I've received this in an advent calendar many years in a row, or like a little beauty thing, and I love it. I've never had to buy it, so if it does run out I probably will have to, but at the moment I don't. Just hit myself in the face with it. So next would be shampoo. Now I have two options for me shampoo. So I've got this L'Oreal Elvive, Dream Lengths. I don't know why I always call it Extreme Lengths. It's Dream Lengths. And I have the Restoring Shampoo, Vegetal Keratin plus vitamins and castor oil, reinforces fragile lengths, long damaged hair. And then I have the conditioner, which is intensely detangles with less breakage, long damaged hair again. And then my second option of shampoo and conditioner is this Bedhead TGI Urban Antidotes Recovery Damage Level 2. And it says dry damaged hair that needs a moisture hit. This is a shampoo, and it says dramatically improve hair's health for an all-night recovery party. And then this is the conditioner. So yeah, love that. So now I'm going to wash my hair because it's really dirty, and then I will show you what I do with my hair once, you know, I'm out the shower. So see you then. So everyone, as you can see, I've washed my hair, simply towel. Anyway, I washed my hair today with the Bedhead shampoo and conditioner. I also forgot to mention that you should always wash your hair twice with the shampoo, because I've learnt that when you wash it once, the dirt comes from that's on your roots, and goes on the bottom of your hair, like it goes down. So then when you wash it the second time, it actually comes out your hair. So I think that's what it's about. I mean, I just wash it twice anyway. So the next step would be to brush my hair and use my products. So I'd brush my hair using my Wet Brush Pro. Oh, it's upside down. There we go. And I love it. It's just easy and it helps your hair. I've read so many reviews about this hairbrush. I just had to get one. like you use it when your hair's wet, and it just like limits breakage and all that kind of stuff. So anything to help, you know. I'm the girl, can't brush my hair first. So before brushing my hair, I would use this Aussie Detangler Miracle Hair Insurance Spray for everyday conditioning. That's not so everyday. Well, I don't wash my hair every day. So I'm going to take my hair out of the towel, and then I'm going to spray that in my hair, and I'm going to brush it, alright? There we go. I just like give a little shaky shake, and I just like lift up the bits that I know are going to be tangly. Mostly the middle section of my hair. Never the ends, never the roots, always the middle. So I'll spray a little bit of that in. And then when I brush my hair, I like try and split it into sections, because I've learned that you're supposed to brush your hair from the bottom up, because it like doesn't damage your hair as much. Also, I left my conditioner in for 5 minutes just so it softens my hair up, I guess. And I just I tried to run my fingers through it, the bits that were soft. So like I just brushed from the tip to the top. Oh, it's going through very smooth. Oh, lovely. So yeah, I'm going to do this, and I'll see you when I've done brushing. So now everyone, brush my hair through. Now I'm going to put my product that I like using in it. So I have a few. So I have my classic Moroccan oil, my favourite, one of my favourites. Then I have this Bumble and Bumble Save the Day Daytime Protection Fluid. Then I have this L'Oreal LV Dream Length Snow Haircut Cream. Then I have this GHD Advanced Split End Therapy. And then I have this Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair Instant Visible Repair, protects from heat styling. So I use that when I'm using heat. But today I've decided to go with me good old Moroccan oil, just because that's what I'm feeling. So what I do, I put 2 pumps, if it will turn on. I put 2 pumps in the palm of my hand, and I just run it through my ends. Lovely jubbly. Just like that. Not like that, like that. And I love the smell of this. Oh my days. It's one of my favourite smells. So that's my hair all done. So what I do is I just leave it to air dry mainly. If I am washing it and I need to dry it quickly, then I will use my hair dryer. But today I'm going to leave it to air dry. And it kind of just dries mainly straight, but with a few waves in it. So if I do want to straighten it, I will just use my GHD straighteners. So yeah, that is my my usual hair care routine. Lovely and soft, lovely and smooth, not many tangles. So yeah, that is all for today's video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know if you have enjoyed it by liking down below, subscribing to my channel, sharing the video with your family and friends, commenting down below, anything you want to let me know, any suggestions, you know, how you do your hair, you know, I'm open to everything. Just let me know down below what you want to see or whatever. And also don't forget to turn on post notifications, and great. Hope you have a great week, enjoy life, and yeah, just be happy really. So I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye.